Hello, you guys. Grandma here. How's everybody? You having fun there at 97? I said 98 by mistake, house 98 in your other story, but I remember it's 97. So I have one of our favorite things to talk about today, tremendous tractors. So I hope you can see it. Let's read this. There's a nice one there. I forget who makes the blue tractors. You have to tell Grandma. I forget who makes the blue tractors. I think International Harvester makes the red ones, right? Who makes the green ones? I know you know that. Okay, tremendous tractors. So here's a little farm guys all getting ready to work with their tractors. Hope you can see them. Okay, let's see. Hold up the picture. You guys can look at these wonderful tractors while working in the field. Tremendous chuggy tractors, so sturdy and so strong, hitching up to farm machines and pulling them along. It's going foot, 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 foot. It's the noise it's making. Here's something we love, the big black tires, huh? We love those. Their big black tires have solid treads that help them not to slip. These chunky treads can chew the ground and get the wheels to grip. A tractor works on farmland, so its body must be tough. It sits high up above the ground, for farmland can be tough. Did you hear the rhyming words? Oh, this one looks like an International Harvester, huh? What's the name of yours? I can't believe I forgot it. To grow their crops, the farmers have to start by sowing seed. But first, to break the ground up, a plow is what they need. A tractor pulls the plow across the field up and down. The plow blades cut the soil in furrows rich and brown. So what's he holding there? His lunch, right? Can you read those letters? L-U-N-C-H. He has to eat his lunch out on the tractor, I think, huh? Okay, let's see this one. The tractor hauls the harrow next to break the soil some more. Disc harrows crush the clods up. That's what a harrow's for. Right here, it's saying crumble, crunch. Okay, who knows what that is? Is that the roller? It's time to use the roller now, a tube that rolls around for flattening the field, pushing stones beneath the ground. Let's say, rumble, 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 rumble. Okay, so here he has the seeds. Can you see that word? S-E-E-D-S spells seeds. Let's look at that picture. The seed drill has a hopper, a seed box that you fill. And when it's time for planting, the tractor pulls the drill. The seed drill makes a row of grooves in which the seeds can drop. The spikes then rake a covering of soil across the top. So that's how that works. I always wondered. Oh, here we're talking about hay. Chop, chop, chop. Say chop, chop, chop. When a hay crop's fully grown, the mower comes and mows. It cuts the grass and leaves it out to dry in tidy rows. Oh, there's a lot lot of baling the hay action going on here in this picture. Later on, a baler scoops the stalks up from the ground and shapes them into bales, which are bundles, square or round. A bale of hay is heavy, so it's very hard to lift. A bale fork on a tractor makes it easier to shift. So that's the bale fork there. Plunk, plop, plop. It's plopping onto the field. Ooh, look at this equipment. If the crop's a grain crop, when harvest time is here, a great big combine does the job and gets the whole crop clear. It cuts the stalks and threshes them to knock the grain all out, then spreads the straw behind it as the grain spills from the spout. So can you see all that happening there? Spilling from the spout here. Swish, swish. Oh, who's watching everything here? The horse, huh? He's watching. A tractor with a trailer shifts bales of straw or hay, takes food to hungry animals, or carries crops away. The tractor and the farmer work hard and do their best. So when the day is over, they both deserve a rest. You see the carrots there? Oh, he's got a pumpkin. More carrots here. So there's the tractor parts. The tire. This has chunky treads to help the wheel grip bumpy or slippery ground. Seed drill. This scratches small grooves in the ground for planting seeds. This is the hopper. This holds the seeds and blows them out through a row of tubes. Spikes. These move through the ground to cover the seeds after they drop. There's the blade. Here's the blade. A plow has sharp blades or shares to cut into the ground and turn over the soil. Here's the bale fork. You can see a little better here. This is for lifting bales of hay or straw and moving them around. Much easier than doing it by hand, like your dad and mom can tell you how hard that is. Okay? Tremendous tractors. So I hope you liked it. I know we love our tractors, don't we? Okay. There's your pictures up there. I still have your pictures. Who's the little fella in the back there? I wonder who that could be. Is that Daddy when he was a little fella? Okay. Bye, Walker. Bye, Hayes. Bye, Hadley. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.